Namaste, welcome back to channel from a beautiful place of Sharjah Corniche, Bukhari Corniche. I'm really miss you, my subscriber of YouTube, and today I'm going to show you my GoPro Hero 10 and about the GoPro Hero 10, how much I buy in Dubai in 2022. It is not new, but it's still new because I don't have used a long time. Sometime I use when I go outside to making video. So this is my GoPro Hero 10, guys. So how much I buy in Dubai 2022? I pay cost 1,550, almost with tax 1,600. So this is very nice camera, so you can make video your in best resolution like 4K, and really nice. I love it, this camera. What about you guys? How much you buy in your country? And just give me opinion in the comment box. This is very best for me.